Guys, there we have it. Have a look at that. Completely obliterated in the accident. We're out of gas. Imagine we're out of gas. Oh my God. Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're back on the Golf R. That sounds good, right? Let me say it again. We're back on the Golf R. 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 That's right, guys. We are back on the Golf R. We're going to be starting the pulling procedure today. In the last episode, we got the car down to Mustafa's at H&A Autos. He's going to be sorting out my chassis for me. In this episode, I've managed to get a new bonnet that's come in, new pair of bonnet hinges, 2 wings, and that's what we need right now to start the procedure. So let's get right into it. Guys, there we have it. Have a look at that. We've replaced the bonnet, we've replaced the hinges. Car's done. I wish, if only it was that easy. But anyway, we've replaced the bonnet, replaced both hinges. Have a look. And it doesn't mean we're getting besides ourselves. We literally need the front of the bonnet so that when we're pulling, we can line up the front end and the front slam panel over there with the front lines and edges of the bonnet. And that should give us just some guidelines. And then we're going to be doing some precise measurements, crossways like that, making sure that everything is straight, making sure everything lines up before reinforcing everything, and then we can do the final assembly. So there's so much work to do on this car. That's one of the big reasons why there was such a delay with it. So without further ado, let's continue. Let go. Before I continue with anything more on the body of the car, I want to sort out a few electrics. When I got the car, the complete fuse box was smashed. I bought a replacement fuse box, which is right down there. Now, the fuse box that I had for this car, it's got two connectors. This is the big block connector, and the small block connector was completely obliterated in the accident. And this is all that we were left with. So I went ahead and I bought a new fuse box, and that came with the plug, but I need your help. Guys, if any of you have got a Golf R or SIROCCO R, please, I need you. I need one of you guys, if you've got one of these cars, I need you to just remove your fuse box by taking that little screw, just screw that up, and the whole thing will lift like that. Underneath, I just need a picture of this block so that I can do my rewiring. Let me show you what I mean. This is the block that I bought, and it came with my replacement fuse box. The wires in this one are completely different, even though it's the same block and it fits the new fuse box. The wires, the colors are different. I know that in the fuse box, all of the wires in the fuse box will be positive, but I know that some of them have to go to the relay, some of them goes to the fuse. I need a picture from a Golf R or SIROCCO R 2-litre TFSI, and they will all carry the same kind of connector underneath, and then I can use a picture from that, and then I can use that picture to rewire my block. So if any of you guys have got any, I need your help. If you've got any cars like this, or if you know where you can find a picture like that, do get in touch, please. Alright guys, so with everything stripped down on the front end, the next step will be to get the dozer, start to pull in, but we also need that little bad boy over there, and unfortunately, we're out of gas. Imagine we're out of gas, so we're waiting for a delivery of a settling to come in, and it looks like this. So I've been waiting for this little bottle. This big bottle is filled with oxygen, but this is the special one. This is acetylene, and this allows the fire coming out of the torch to burn at very, very high temperatures. So without that, I can't do anything else on the chassis. So yeah guys, instead of ending the video here, I thought let me get started with the interior of the car. I need to take out the dashboard, all the airbags, replace that. I've got a replacement dashboard sitting upstairs in the storage room. So let's go. All this has got to come out and start to fit the new one. So let's see how much of that I can get done in this episode. Guys, I still haven't even started this car since we got it, and I'm just doing more damage than good, but I'm confident it will all come together. Let me know what you think of this build. Let me know what you think of the car down in the comments down below. I'll be looking for your comments and I'll answer all of my comments, so let me know what you think. Guys, remember, I've got one of these. I'll be giving it away for free once I get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you like this kind of content, smash that subscribe button down below and make sure your bell notifications are on so you get a notification when I post another video. Right, let's continue because this is a lot of work. So that's it, guys. I've taken my time, I've taken off all the screws, all the panels, everything. Have a look. It's nice and loose. I should be able to just lift the dashboard out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like without the dashboard. But that's the blown dashboard. I've got a replacement dashboard ready to fit, but I'm not going to fit it in this episode. I just want to get it out and take a look at what we've got. Oh my God, guys, take a look at what I've done to this car. I swear, I've not even started this car since I've bought it, and it just seems like I'm doing more damage than I am any good. I've taken the engine out, I've stripped down the front, I've gutted out the interior, but you know what they say, you have to get worse before you can get better, and this is definitely one step in the right direction. Let's check it out. So I don't know what it was like for you guys watching that, but I found it pretty easy, other than in this slot here, there's two hidden screws on this side and on that side, and they're a bit awkward to get to. I didn't even notice them, so sometimes it's just trial and error. I've done this in about, I normally take about an hour and a half, but I think I've done this one in about an hour, so I'm getting faster, I'm getting better. Going back in, the new one shouldn't cause any issues, but yeah, remember guys, this wasn't part of the plan for today, but you just got to keep it moving, man. And yeah, I love working on cars, and I hope you guys do too. And if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I think this is all we can do for today, guys. In the next episode, hopefully the gas would have been here and we can start to really align this. And this is the main sticking point. Once we align the chassis, I can assemble everything in a few days. The engine has to go back in, reassemble the entire front, bonnet, bumper, headlights, alignment, spraying, everything on that. Still need to reassemble the interior. Have a look at this mess. So if you guys want to see how I get on with all of this stuff, go down below, press subscribe, make sure your bell notifications are on. If you don't want to miss out when I post another video on this car, I've got some more information to share with you, so let's get into that. As you know, I do this part-time, so I do videos every Sunday evening and Wednesday evening. So from now on, until I let you guys know again, I'm going to be giving you Golf R content on the Sunday because that's the big one. And during the week, you're going to be getting lots of the other little builds that I'm doing. I'm still working on the C63, I'm working on the Corsa, I'm working on so many other little cars, the BMW 325, you know, and you'll get those on the Wednesday, and the Golf R content is going to be coming out on a Sunday. If you want more, or if you want less, or if you've got any more thoughts of how I can make filming and releasing my content better on the channel, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the car, what do you think of the build so far, what do you think of the channel. Check this out. Once I get to 10K, I'll be giving away one of these. Now this is my very own trim and panel removal kit, which was supplied to me by the guys from over at Max Speeding Rods, and they have also given me one to give to you guys. So once I get to 10K, I'll be giving one of you lucky guys this for free. I'll choose a random comment and I'll post it out to you for free. I'll also be giving out one of their racing turbos. It's a brand new turbo in the box. I'll put a picture right here, and if you want to get one of these turbos, all you need to do is let me know what you would do with it, and I'll be giving that away as well once I get to 10,000 subscribers. If you're liking this kind of content, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, head on over to the Access Competitions UK website, purchase some raffle tickets, get involved. I can't wait to do the live draw on the first ever Salvage Nation raffle, where I'm going to be giving away my personal BMW E92 325i automatic M Sport. That car is so nice. Get involved, you gotta be in it to win it. Let's do this. This is where we're gonna be ending it. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.